President Marcos Jr. slams what he called a useless rock shed project in Benguet. The president continued his inspection of flood control projects Sunday as more anomalies surfaced. A portion of the Benguet rock shed, which costs 264 million pesos, already disintegrated following landslides and rock slides in the past few months.
I think you can see for yourself na talagang hindi trinabaho ng mabuti ito. Dahil yung ginawang slope protection supposedly dito ay bumigay kaagad. Sinama, pati yung slope protection na dapat na nandyan na hindi ginawa ay gumuho lahat ito, bumagsak dito, mabigat, nasira yung kalsada. Ngayon, nakita ngayon namin yung erosion sa ilalim ng kalsada, which is the most important part, ay wala na-erode na dahil yung ginawa nilang protection wall ay ubod ng hina, ubod ng liit. Was supposed to take care of this, cost us 260 million, more or less, 260 million. The 260 million that the government spent for this project had no effect whatsoever as to protect the slope. Parang walang ginawa. Sana hindi pareho lang. Kung hindi, wala silang tinayo, wala silang linagay na wall, wala silang linagay na riprap, wala silang linagay na slope protection, ganun din ang nangyari. Kaya ang valor ng kanilang trabaho is zero, complete zero.
Marcos said government could file economic sabotage complaints against those involved in the project. The rock shed is a vital pathway for those going to and from Benguet. But because of the structure's integrity, trucks and other vehicles cannot pass through the area.
So this, because nagsara ito, hindi na magamit ito, in terms of business, 30%, 35%, I think is the number, 35% kaagad ng kanilang hanap buhay ay nawala dahil dito. So it is not only the damage, the physical damage that we can see, but it is also the damage to the economy. It is also the damage to the people's livelihood. Naghahanap buhay lang naman itong mga taong ito, tinanggal sa kanila 35% ng kanilang hanap buhay para ibulsa ang pera ng gobyerno. Kaya naman, hindi kayo magtataka that if there's one thing, I will not leave this office until I fix this. This is it. This is one of those things.